All right, guys, 2009 GMC Canyon. This car has a bad handle here, the lift gate handle. Doesn't want it open. All right, so this is the handle. It's broken. What you're gonna do is, you see this big cover here? You have a whole bunch of Torx here. And you're gonna be using number T27. And you're gonna remove all these screws back here. This cover goes back here. Let me just come around. It comes here, all right? There's a whole bunch of screws here. All right, so you're gonna remove them all, and you're gonna come across a cover that look like this. It's gonna be right there. You'll see it on the reverse procedure because we already took it apart. All right, and that has 4 little screws. You're gonna take those off, and then you're gonna have access to the handle. All right, once you have the access to the handle, what you can do is you can turn that. Let's turn that, and you can open this lift gate up. That way you just twist it like that. That's what the handle does. All right, once you have it down, what you're gonna do is you're gonna see this handle is broken from right here. All right, and we're gonna replace this handle. All right, this lift gate handle. Simple procedures. You're gonna open this here. All right, and there's one on the other side. This is the lift gate handle for 09 GMC Canyon. All right, you're gonna remove this two little hanger looking cables. And once you remove these, you're gonna remove number 10 here and number 10 right there, right? Alright, just put that bolt to the side, and then you remove the second one. Can you move your hand a little bit? And that handle is ready to fall out. You might have to tap it, hit it a little bit, but it should just come out. You got a few notches here, like this one right here. So all you do is you yank it down with a flathead or a pick, just like that. And you should be able to get this handle out of there. Just like that, all right? Play around with it and it should come out. There's a broken handle. It broke from right here. You see right here? The handle broke from right there. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna install a new handle. The part number on this is Doorman 83370. All right, this piece is about like $50 to $60. You can probably find it online a little cheaper. All right, there's the handle. You see how it works, the mechanism? And you got the 2 little hangers that's gonna go here. So you gently take this handle, you're gonna insert it from the bottom, all right? Same whip. Play around with it till you get it inside. These 2 little bushings here, they go here, one goes here, right? You might be able to put those little later if they fall off. Just pay attention to it. Alright, we step the back a little bit because we're going to show you how to do this, alright? So you're going to insert the top end first, just like that. And then the other end should go in easily. You can just twist it by hand. All right, make sure the little 2 bushings are there. And this handle should clip right in. All right, then you can put the 2 number 10s. Same thing on this side. Before you tighten the other side, make sure you get them both. When you tighten this, just enough. Don't over tighten it because you might crack the housing of the new handle. And once you have that in, you can put these two little hangers in and lock them up with a white clip. Can't see again. Alright, goes right in just like that. And then you're gonna lock up the white clip. And that's it, alright? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna test this, alright? Before we put the back cover panel on, just test it, and it should open and close. Alright, he's just double checking. It's nice and tight, and that's it. What we'll do is we'll move the handle to the old one. Alright, we're gonna close this. There you go, it's closed. Now you can open it. Let's try one more time. Close it and open it. It seems a little rough. What we'll do is we'll put some lubrication on this side, and he has a bolt loose here, alright? We'll tighten that up. Alright, this bolt was loose. We'll tighten that up. And if you have, just make sure you check that bolt and check on the opposite end too. We'll put a little bit of lubrication here and there, and it should be nice and smooth. Alright guys, we tighten this up. We're gonna lubricate this later. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna put this cover here. This cover goes in with 4 little screws. There you go. And we're gonna get the 4 little screws. We're gonna put one on each hole. I forgot to mention, if you're only gonna put 2, the one that goes here and one goes there, because the other 2, they go with that little cover. So just take 2 screws, put them there, one on the other end, cross in the bottom. Right. Now we'll get the big cover. When you're dismantling this, just follow the procedure here, just reverse it, right? You got a whole bunch of screws, like one here, one there, one there, one there, and same thing on the opposite side. Alright, so before we tighten it, just push this so it's nice and flush, and then tighten it. Just make it even. That's what he's doing, trying to make it even on all the sides. And we're almost done. Just want to show the job till it's completed. And this is a different size. This is just a Phillips head screwdriver. So you take a Phillips head screwdriver and tighten that. And don't forget the last one over here. And after this, you can test it one more time and everything should be good. Make sure you pick up your tools, throw out all the garbage, don't leave nothing behind, and you're done, alright? So this job is finished. We'll check it one last time. There you go. Much, much better. Just needs to lubricate this a little bit and we're done. That's it.